Your voice, it came to me the clearest I had heard. Those many nights where I lay hanging from your every word. And in my bloodstream you did multiply and then walk down an avenue and take me to the end. And it's like you're in my chest, it's like you're in my lungs. Took something ordinary, set it for a run. The way I need you now is more than to survive. I wanna give you an extraordinary life. A divergence underneath toward directions that took gravity away from me. Blind and the blinder breathed you in until the dawn. I'll tell you now, I won't be back before I'm gone. It's like you're in my chest, it's like you're in my lungs. Took something ordinary, set it for a run. The way I need you now is more than to survive. I wanna give you an extraordinary life. And when you look at me, the weight of how I felt weighs heavy on me. Yeah, I will hold you closer than you have been held. And I will tell you then and now there's no one else. And when you look at me, the weight of how I felt weighs heavy on me. And it's like you're in my breath, it's like you're in my lungs. Took something ordinary, set it for a run. The way I need you now is more than to survive. I wanna give you an extraordinary life. Well, we're all just bending backwards, like the world's end has arrived. Now the heart breaks, but a story for those who have survived. So go on, keep on turning, or keep burning to the ground, and you'll still find that you're fighting for the chance of one more round. So take a step back again. We'll grind ourselves down to a bitter end. Don't deny me, don't deny me. bright bitter red. Give us hindsight, give us something just to hold. 'Cause we don't care if what we're asking is something